English is an immensely significant language in today's world. Its importance stems from various factors, including its status as a global lingua franca, its widespread usage in business, education, and technology, and its rich literary and cultural heritage. Understanding and being proficient in English can open up numerous opportunities and facilitate effective communication across borders and cultures. As a global lingua franca, English serves as a common language for people from different linguistic backgrounds to communicate with one another. It is estimated that over 1.5 billion people worldwide speak English, either as their first, second, or foreign language. This widespread usage makes English an essential tool for international travel, trade, and diplomacy. Whether it's a business meeting between professionals from different countries or a traveler seeking assistance in a foreign land, English often becomes the medium through which meaningful interactions occur. In the realm of business, English has become the language of choice for multinational corporations and global trade. Companies operating on an international scale rely on English as the language of communication between employees, partners, and clients. Proficiency in English can significantly enhance career prospects, as it opens up a wide range of job opportunities in sectors such as finance, technology, hospitality, and tourism. Moreover, English fluency is often considered a prerequisite for managerial and leadership positions in many organizations. English also dominates the realm of education. Numerous prestigious universities and academic institutions worldwide offer courses and programs in English, attracting students from different countries. Proficiency in English enables students to access a broader range of educational resources, research materials, and scholarly publications. It also facilitates academic exchanges and collaborations between institutions, fostering the global advancement of knowledge and innovation. Furthermore, English plays a pivotal role in the technological landscape. The majority of online content, software interfaces, and programming languages are predominantly in English. Knowledge of English is crucial for individuals aspiring to pursue careers in technology, as it allows them to access a wealth of information, participate in online communities, and collaborate with professionals from around the world. English proficiency is particularly relevant in fields like computer science, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and software development. English literature and culture have had a profound impact on the world. Many of the most celebrated works of literature, from Shakespearean plays to modern novels, are written in English. Familiarity with the English language grants individuals access to this vast literary heritage, allowing them to appreciate the beauty and depth of these works firsthand. Furthermore, English language films, music, and television shows have become global phenomena, shaping popular culture and influencing artistic expressions across continents. In conclusion, the importance of English in today's world cannot be overstated. It serves as a bridge that connects people from different linguistic backgrounds, facilitates global communication, and opens up a multitude of opportunities in various domains. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, proficiency in English becomes more vital than ever, empowering individuals to navigate the global landscape, expand their horizons, and participate actively in the global community.